Angelica Yarns, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do treble crochet. To get started, you're going to need some yarn and a crochet hook. The only thing you really need to know prior to watching this video is how to make a chain. To learn how to make a chain, check out the link in the description below. To get started, I'm going to chain 8. To begin a treble crochet stitch, you need to yarn over twice. So watch. Yarn over once, and yarn over a second time. Insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to insert into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, and pull through the first loop on your hook. So now all the way across, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops until you only have 1 loop left. So watch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Let's try it again. Yarn over twice. Insert into the chain. Yarn over and pull through 1. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over and pull through 2 one last time. You can practice this by just doing it over and over again until you got it. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So when you reach the end of the row, if you want to continue the stitch and make your work taller, start the next row, you need to chain 3. You need to chain 3 because the treble crochet is a really tall stitch and it's worth 3 stitches. So you're going to chain 3 and turn your work around. And then you just start again. So you're gonna yarn over twice, and you're going to insert your hook into the top of the last treble crochet. So that's right here. So you're going to insert into the thing that kind of looks like a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through, and then just yarn over and pull through 2 until you only have 1 loop left. So 2, 2, 2. And just do that all the way across. That's all you need to know on how to make a treble crochet. Thank you for watching.